Well, hey everybody, today's going to be a real simple, quick introduction to basic shapes, which is at the very heart of things where it all starts. Everything you draw as an artist can be broken down into shapes. First is simple shapes, and then there's more complex shapes, and then obviously on into three-dimensional forms. And then when you of course move into 3D forms, you have your sphere, your cube, your cylinder, and your cone. But for the sake of simplicity, and today we're not going to worry about form. That's not going to be another video. Today we're just looking at, there again, the very basic beginning. We're going to look at shapes, and I'm going to give you guys a real quick simplistic demo as how those can play into anything you draw. From the first example, I'm going to use a table. Now obviously when I draw this table, it is in its very essence a square for the legs, two squares for the legs, and a circle for the top. But I'm not going to draw it as a completely round circle. I'm going to it's going to be elongated and tilted because of the way it looks from an angle. And there again, we'll get into that more in another video when we talk about perspective. But at the very essence, it's a circle. And for my next example, I'm going to use a face here. I'm going to use Herman Munster, and I purposely picked him because he already has what I would consider a caricature head. He has that square head, but same thing. I'm just going to look for the shapes and try my best to break it down into the simplest shapes possible. And for my final example, we're going to use this little puppy dog here. Same thing. I'm going to look for the shapes, look for the lines, look and see where they go, and the shape doesn't necessarily have to stay within the constraints of the actual image. Well, all you're doing right now is you're breaking that what's might be considered a complex image for you as in a beginner. You're breaking it down to its simplest form just to kind of help you get a grasp of the face. And this is going to be true for anything. I know a lot of you guys here are new artists. I know a lot of you guys here are caricature artists too. So, and most of you guys who are caricature artists already know a lot of these things. But it never hurts to have a good reminder of just the very basics. So I hope this video is helpful to somebody. I hope I didn't ramble too much. And I will be putting out some more videos and cover some more basic art techniques. You guys have a great day.